Whispers fall like candlelight, burning slow in the endless night. Shadows creep, they know my name. Every word's a flicker, every thought a flame. Secrets in the dark, they never lie. Breath on my skin, a fragile sigh. Hold me close, don't let it fade. These truths we share are handmade. Echoes bounce off the cracked stone walls. A voice like velvet, it raps, it calls. The room is still, but the air's alive. Every syllable's a die, a die, a die. Clock's asleep, the world's erased. We're untouchable, lost in this space. Secrets in the dark, they never lie. Breath on my skin, a fragile sigh. Hold me close, don't let it fade. These truths we share are handmade. The light can't see, it can intrude. These forbidden words, they set the mood. No promises, no ties to bind, just fleeting truths that we rewind. The sky is blue, a fading gray, a whisper of the night slipping away. I chase the echo of what you said, like footprints on the shore, washed and dead. Fading horizon, where did you go? The further I run, the less I know. Lost in the haze, the colors collide. Fading horizon, you're my divide. Street lights hum a ghostly tune. Shadows stretch beneath the moon. Your voice lingers, black smoke in the air. I reach for it, but there's nothing there. Time bends, it warps, it frays. I can't hold on, it drifts away. Fading horizon, where did you go? The further I run, the less I know. Lost in the haze, the colors collide. Fading horizon, you're my divide. I can't decode, a road with no end, a heavy load. Memories crackle like an old vinyl tune, fall into silence under the blue. Dusty bottle line a shelf. They don't speak. The clock ticks louder when you feel this weak. jukebox hum, but no one moves a bone. Whiskey and shadows, that's all I know. Drowning in a glass where the pain won't go. The moon's alive, the stars just watch the show. Her name still lives on the bar's open. I trace it slow, like a map to where she stood. The chair across from me, a ghost in the glow. How do you fight the dark? When the light's just a spark. Whiskey and shadow, that's all I know. Drowning in a glass where the pain won't go. The moon's a liar, the stars just watch the show. Like it knows my sins. The slide guitar moans where love begins. The empty bar hollow and thin. whisper shattered lines echo deep, burns away what once did sleep. Legs full shadows, they rise, they rise. Smoke in the air, fire in my eyes. No mercy here, no time to plead. Revenge is the only thing I need. Knuckles crack, pavement scream, twisted faces, shattered dreams. Blood on the stone, rain comes down. A reckoning spreads across this town. Teeth clenched tight, a beast untamed. Your name's the curse my lips have named. Urge full shadows, they rise, they rise. Smoke in the air, fire in my eyes. No mercy here, no time to plead. Revenge is the only thing I need. Vengeful shadows, they rise, they rise. Smoke in the air, fire in my eyes. No mercy here, no time to plead. Revenge is the only thing I need. The rain falls slow on this empty street. Every step feels heavy under my feet. Your shadow lingers like a ghost in my head. I keep chasing echoes of words you said. I got the heartbreak blues. Nothing left to lose. Your love was a fire, now it's cold and tired. Oh baby, I got the heartbreak blues. Clock keeps ticking, but time stands still. Your perfume's haunting, it always will. I see your face in the smoke of my dream. Every sip pulls me closer to the brink. Tell me, but you're not here. No, you're not here.
And glass is cracked, it cuts my hand. A hollow room, an empty band, the jukebox hung with no one here. The clock ticks slow, it marks the night. Time drips down like candlelight. Echoes in the ashes, whispers through the smoke. Every word we bury, every promise broke. Shadows ghost across the floor. They creep, they crawl, they beg for more. A melody lost in the haze. The harmonic wails, it splits the air. Lonely notes, they disappear. Echoes in the ashes, whispers through the smoke.
Streetlights flicker like a nervous vein. The wind howls low like it's calling your name. A shadow slips past. It don't play fair. In the shadow of the alley, where the whispers grow tall, in the shadow of the alley, there's no one to call. The shadow knows your secret. It knows them all. Footsteps echo, but you're standing still. Breath like smoke, climbing the hill. Every corner hides a hungry grin. No way out, no way through. The night's got claws, and it's coming for you. In the shadow of the alley, where the whispers grow tall, in the shadow of the alley, there's no one to call. The shadow knows your secrets. It knows them all. A clock strikes 12, but time stands dead. You're chasing ghosts, but they live in your head. The neon buzzes. It's a funeral hymn. These streets like a ghost in chains.
held high, but the crown's in flames. Dust on my boots, my name unsaid. A lion roaring in a silent thread. I'm the uncrowned king, no throne, no reign, but I hold the fire. I'm the uncrowned king. Climb higher. Built this town with these two hands, blood and sweat in the shifting sand. Gave my soul to the earth below. Seeds I planted, but they'll never know. Don't need their cheers, don't need their gold. My worth is carved in the stories untold. I'm the uncrowned king. I'm the uncrowned king. They'll never sing, but I'll climb higher. Stone by stone they'll try to break, but this heart still, it will not shake. Unseen, unheard, I still remain the uncrowned king who feels no shame. Like a ghost in chains, head held high, but the crown's in flames. The dust on my boots, my name unsaid. A lion roaring in a silent thread. I'm the uncrowned king. I'm the uncrowned king. They'll never sing, but I'll climb higher. Built this town with these two hands, blood and sweat in the shifting sand. Gave my soul to the earth below. Seeds I planted, but they'll never know. Don't need their cheers, don't need their gold. My worth is carved in the stories untold. uncrowned king. No throne, no reign, but I hold the fire. I'm the uncrowned king. They'll never sing, but I'll climb higher. Stone by stone they'll try to break, but this heart still, it will not shake. Unseen, unheard, I still remain the uncrowned king who feels no shame.
I wear the crown, it bites my skin. Silent walls, they pull me in. Heavy steps, they shake the ground. The quiet man, the loudest sound. No words, just wait. Here clings the burdened quiet kings. Power in the space between. The silence louder than it seems. Shadows stretch, they never sleep. Promises made, secrets to keep. My eyes command, they cut like stone. In this kingdom, I'm alone. The silence grows, it pulls me deep. What you sow, you cannot reap. No words, just wait. It cleans the burdened quiet kings. Power in the space between. The silence louder than it seems. The empty halls where echoes fall. The crown's a cage, it rules us all. The air it hums, the void it sings. The quiet curse of silent kings.
breath of fire steals the night. I hold the scepter of the damned. No kingdom left, no loyal hand. Is this the throne I fought to claim? Is this the prize of endless flame? I'm the king of the ashes, the lord of the dust. The walls are gone, but the sword still thrusts. Raise my flag where the ruins lay. Victory came, but the price won't fade. Echoes howl through hollow halls. Ghosts of glory line the walls. Each step heavy, each breath burns. A ruler's burden, no return. I climb so high, I cut so deep. Now I can't wake from the dreams I keep. I'm the king of the ashes, the lord of the dust. The walls are gone, but the sword still thrusts. Raise my flag where the ruins lay. Victory came, but the price won't fade. I'm the king of the ashes, the lord of the dust. The walls are gone, but the sword still thrusts. Raise my flag where the ruins lay. Victory came, but the price won't fade. Hands torn from the climb. Blood under the nails. Mountain winds, how dared me to fail. Each step a war, each breath a toll. Darkness gripped, but it couldn't take my soul. crowd. Paid in blood, carved in stone, crown of shadows, mine alone. I see clearer when the light's gone blind. Shadows whisper truths the daylight won't find. Feet on ash, scars on my skin, built my throne where no one's been. Chains broke free, the weight still clings. Victory cuts like a blade, it stings. Crown of shadows, I wear it proud. Earned in silence, not in the crowd. Paid in blood, carved in stone, crown of shadows.